If you want to enable iMessage on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Messages app. Then tap on it. Now as you can see, we have opened the Messages settings. Now sometimes it will ask you to enter your Apple ID and the password of your Apple ID, then it will show you these settings. So make sure you sign in using your Apple ID. After you do that, these settings will show up. Now from here, just scroll down and make sure you enable the toggle for iMessages. Just like that. Now after you enable the toggle for iMessages, now just wait for a few seconds. Then the option of send and receive will show up. Now in this section, just enter your email address, your Apple ID or your phone number so you could receive and send iMessages using the selected option. As you can see, I have already selected my email account, but you can either enter your phone number or your Apple ID. And once you do that, you will enable iMessages on your iPhone. And this is how you can enable iMessage on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.